Well, this is just a quick video about windscreen wipers. Now, I'm not really used to shooting with a tripod, so you'll have to bear with me, but basically, this is how of course the seat's going to blow across the front yard. Now, this is how I replace the wiper blades. Usually I don't even bother getting, yeah, sorry, I really am not used to shooting with a tripod, but this is what they are. They're just the Repco product. They're nothing special wiper blades basically, and on the Calais they're both actually different length, which is a bit odd. So can you see that? No, you can't. Right, so yeah, they're just a different length for whatever reason. So these come with the, if I do a close-up, these come with the complete assembly with the premium blades. Now you're probably wondering why you'd actually bother replacing them, because these whole things, these complete assemblies cost almost the same as the premium blades without the actual head or ends, if you like. Now these were $39.60, and basically it's getting a brand new windscreen on Tuesday. Whoops. Now if I go up close, the amount of play in that, you probably can't appreciate it on the video, but it's just, yeah, it's buggered. Like, these are all, so I can hold the damn thing still. See the amount of play in that? Probably can't see anything, of course, naturally. To show play in a video is really quite difficult, but yeah, you can just sort of see it. I mean, and they're all like that, like you can probably can't tell how much play's in it, but you can see how much the wiper arm moves. But anyway, you'll have to take my word for it. So, oh yeah, here's a really good example. Now look at all the play in it. So these are buggered. Like, that's part of the reason why wipers tend to clack clack when they're old, and new ones don't do that. So yeah, they're shot. They're both like it. So this one here is probably even worse. They're all just knackered. So basically I just, and this one here, like, it's, yeah, I can't really interpret the date wheel on this. Usually it's pretty obvious, 2012 maybe, I don't know, but they're very old anyway. So yeah, my advice, if you're getting a brand new windscreen, don't even think about reusing the wiper arms. So basically the only bit you want to reuse is this part here, and replace this, the universal fit. So yeah, just a quick tip. I mean, of course I'm out of frame, sorry everyone, I'm not used to a tripod. So yeah, and the silly idiot that put the last windscreen in, this is a driver's side, you can see the polished metal because the screen had so much sealant on it. This is what I was talking about the windscreen in the video. Like, it's been rubbing on the plastic. That's really bad because it's going to damage the windscreen wiper mechanism. It's clearly been doing it a long time, because it's got a millimetre of material that's been taken off at least. So this is just something that, if you're a windscreen installer, you need to get this right, because this is unacceptable. I mean, 15 yards of sealant, it's just crap. So anyway, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, also, if you're going to go to the trouble of doing all this, wire brush, get rid of all this corrosion and crap, and just the black paint I used around the windscreen, it would look $1 million. Okay, I realised they weren't gloss shiny from new, but they look pretty terrible. Like, nothing worse than registering a car and you know, all this crap here. They just look pretty ordinary. So anyway, thanks for watching.